See? Don't use brake. Use brake only when you are near road. Want to reduce speed. No problem. Now, you can reduce speed. Yeah. Take care about the steering, yes. And follow the line. The line there to the right, go to the right. Like that. This side. Be careful, this guy. Be careful. Go now. If horn, use horn, you will stop. Huh? Japanese, why are making horn for the cars? Slow, there's hump. Slow down. Not slow down before. Don't press. Nothing. Slow down, no? Okay, there's a roundabout, so slow down. Yeah, you have to keep right because it goes straight. Slow down. Like that. Take this line. Follow the line. Follow the line, yes? No. Turn, yes. Then go ahead. Turn right. Selfie. You have to fix your steering. When you go out from the roundabout, huh? Turn to the right. Follow the line, no? Slow down, let's go. One air road. See, you can follow the line, shorter line. Go to the line. The road is no straight. You have to go over the line. Yes. Don't lose your speed. No need to brake. Don't lose brake. Just go. Yeah. Okay. There's another roundabout. So before roundabout, you need to reduce speed, huh? And when you go right, roundabout right. You want to slow down from here. Okay, better. So use signal to the right. Okay, slow down. Check from left. There is no one. So you're going to right. You have to turn right. After the corner, turn full. Then release the. You have to release the. What do you call this? Steering. You need to come back again to your road. Now I want to drive out. Your car going out, huh? Don't look to the. Don't look up. Don't look. Look down. Don't look to the sun there. You have to wear sunglasses, no? Huh? Try to look down. Don't look up to the sun direct. It's okay? Yeah. You're driving 100 now, yeah. So, yeah, it's okay, but don't go out over the line. Yeah. Okay. Go over the line. See, the line is going to right. So go there. Now you put yourself so like that. Easy. There is another one roundabout. Okay, we go left. Before roundabout, what do? You have to reduce speed, then signal. Not here, there, over there. Still early, where the roundabout? Oh, yes, still there. You signal only from here, okay.
Unknown caller.
Yeah. Slow down, check from left. No one? Slow down. Selfie, you will kill us like this. Where are you going? Left side. Oh God. You signal opposite and go ahead to the left. There. You go back again for what? Selfie.
1 minute, brother.
1 minute? Why? Yeah, okay. We'll park emergency. Okay, try to park right. Use signal first. Okay, and try to park anywhere, yeah? Emergency park. Slowly. Don't hit the wall. Okay. Off your signal. Keep going. This This side, no signal. Yes, I forget to tell you. Only from that side you can find the signal. Okay. So you know the location where, right? You have to reduce speed. We are nearby. Your signal to the right. Before signboard, you turn right. Okay. This is our location here. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Enter 20. And turn right. Okay. Slowly. Straight. Slowly also here. Okay.